This is the new fan. We're snooping up on Lila in her room that note to self I cleaned yesterday. Cleaned all of these clothes. They were there. Hi Lila! What are you doing? Are you riding on your horse? Yep, all those blocks, they were in that bag.
Nope.
And all these clothes, they were in that pile. Hey Bug, can you wave? Wave at the camera. Hi. Can you give Mama moo? Moo. Don't lick it. Okay, that's all for now.